Hey y'all, you're about to learn how to get more repeat customers, which is step number 4 of the Sales Accelerator process. This is incredibly important because most people sell a product to someone one time and then chase the next. When they do that, they have to spend more time and money than if they focus on their current customers. And that may be exactly what you're doing right now. Don't worry, we're gonna walk you through exactly how to get repeat customers so that you can grow your store with more profitable sales. Let's begin. All right, so step number 1, right after they purchase your product, the sale is not done. You need to be thinking about their experience and what they care about because they just made a financial decision, but whether they make a repeat purchase is going to be determined by your next few moves. Step 2, how can you add value after the purchase? Think about adding text tracking or an email that tells them why they are so important and how much it means to you to get them to purchase for that first time. Doing this is so important because we've gotten so used to Amazon, who does all of these things. People want to shop from those local online stores, but they need to still have the convenience of the big brands like Amazon as well. Step number 3, now this one is crucial. We know that it works, and you just got to put in a little bit of time to make it happen, is to write a handwritten note. Think about it. How often do you get them? And when you do, how impactful is it? I'm gonna go ahead and answer this because it's rhetorical, but yes, it's super impactful. It takes work, but it's what's going to help you stand out. On that note, make sure that you give a little discount for their next purchase so that you can track how effective those cards really are. We have a client who's been doing this from the very beginning when they only had to send out 1 or 2 cards per week, and they've continued it. But you know what they've done now? Their store has almost an 80% returning customer rate. It's not because they don't grow the business or that they get more traffic, it's because they bring more customers back just by adding that handwritten note that you can do as well. Step number 4, set up an automation to ask them roughly a week or so after the product is delivered how much they're enjoying it. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Have you heard that before? Treat your online customers like family and they will come back in droves. Step number 5, also an automation. Set up one so that if they don't purchase in X amount of time, determined by your store sales cycle, whether it's a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever, you send them an email, preferably video, hey, who are you? And why it's so important to have them relate to you and your brand. But preferably telling them in video how much you miss them and offering a nice incentive to get them to come back. Okay, now you should know how to drive more repeat customers, which is a huge part of growing an online store. But what a lot of store owners forget is that without a concrete strategy and a clear message, it's going to be harder to grow your business. Our Sales Accelerator process walks you through the exact steps that need to be in place for you to become the impactful store owner. If you're ready to learn the exact steps needed to grow, schedule a free strategy session by clicking the link below.